Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add clickable links in your YouTube Shorts. So this is one of my YouTube short here and I want to add a clickable link, and this is a comment section, but you will see there's a no description. So where I can add the clickable links here? If I just go and click on the three dots, then I have the description, right? So in the description I can add it, right? But I will show you the best method where you can add it here. For example, I can just add here www.youtube.com, right? Let's say this is just an example. I will just go and click on save, and I will just refresh this page once again so I can check it that whether it's work or not. So here, if I just click on the three dots and the description, you can see the link has been added here. But this is very lengthy process, right? Not any viewer will just go and click on the three dots and go and check on the description, right? There is a very less chances. So where I can just add the link where consumer can just find it instantly, the best way is to add the comment section. Yes guys, in the comment section, most of the influencers who use shorts, they add the affiliate links and a lot of links in the comment section. So you can just add your link here, and once you paste it up, once you comment it up, you can always pin that, right? So for example, I can just go and click on the three dots and I can click on the pin, right? And once you pin this, every viewer who will just go and open their comment section, they will able to find your link here. So this is the best method which most of the influencers use it, and neither it's not against the YouTube community guidelines, so you can do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.